New this morning, one University of Alabama geography professor is keeping a close eye on the historic flooding in Baton Rouge. Dr. Seiji Cohen specializes in global hydrology. His research unit has recently received a grant to develop a flood inundation map using remote satellite images. Now, this grant will allow him to develop a new flood prediction system that could alert people sooner and give them crucial time to get to safety.
We see a lot of devastating pictures right now from Louisiana where people didn't have time to collect their gathering and they lost everything, and maybe in the near future we'll be able to do a better job at warning people about that.
Louisiana flooding killed 13 people and damaged 40,000 homes.